This is the Royal Master Grinder core pin grinding machine. We've developed this automatic core pin grinding machine that can work on a single piece part or from a bar. The collet holds the diameter of the piece part or the bar and presents the part in front of the first wheel, the primary grinding wheel, where it advances the material into the grinding wheel, controlling the position with a bushing. As the ram goes forward, the bushing and the part move in towards the grinding wheel, and progressively we grind the reduced diameters from the head towards the tip. Once the main diameters have been ground, then the fourth axis, with the fourth axis wheel, will grind the custom features into the tip of the core pin. That may be a radius tip, it may be a special feature design. The conventional abrasive wheel is 1.5 inches wide. The fourth axis wheel is a super abrasive wheel that is about 1/8 inch wide, and sometimes it's shaped to the profile of the grind. The workhead holds a collet with a pneumatic closer, and there's a stop when it's a single part, or a rod of material out the back end through the collet. The workhead is motor driven with a servo, so we can have variable speeds throughout the grind. The workhead travels over a linear actuator. This is how we control the length and the diameters. The collet opens, the part is removed, and you can see the multiple diameters. The end feature is created, in this case, a radius with the fourth axis super abrasive grinding disc. The machine is completely CNC controlled. The linear actuator is 1/10 of a micron resolution. The ram is 1/10 of a micron resolution. And the fourth axis wheel is also on a servo linear motor. The foundation of the machine is on a granite base with deep and wide coolant trough ways. The main grinding wheel is on a spindle with 6 bearings, and a CNC behind the wheel dresser is an option. There's alternative options for wheel dressing. The cycle time for this core pin multiple diameter is 90 seconds. Bring us a challenge. We will be using this machine and grinding these core pins at the IMTS Show 2024 in booth 6626 in the North Hall.